Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Heelys for adult men, the Heelys Men's Pro 20 tennis shoe. If you're looking for a stylish, durable, and functional pair of wheeled shoes, this model might just be what you need. Starting with the design, these Heelys sport a sleek black and gray colorway that strikes the perfect balance between sporty and casual. The upper is crafted from a combination of leather and synthetic materials, giving it both durability and a polished look. The leather exterior ensures that these shoes can handle everyday wear, while the synthetic fabric parts keep the shoes lightweight and breathable. Comfort is key with these Heelys. They feature a padded tongue and collar, which provide extra cushioning around your ankle and the top of your foot. This padding helps reduce any discomfort, especially when you're skating or just walking around. The shoes also have a full lace closure system that ensures a snug and secure fit, keeping your feet firmly in place whether you're rolling or just going about your day. One of the highlights is the sole. Made from synthetic rubber, it offers solid traction and durability. What sets these shoes apart is the abrasion-resistant brake pad located on the sole. This brake pad gives you the control you need when you want to stop or slow down while skating, making it safer and easier to maneuver. The wheels themselves are low profile and equipped with ABEC5 bearings, known for providing a smooth and efficient roll. Whether you're cruising on smooth pavement or gliding in the skate park, these wheels make your ride enjoyable and responsive. Plus, the wheels can be easily removed if you want to wear them as regular sneakers. In terms of fit, these Heelys are designed as unisex but are often favored by adult men because of their supportive structure and sizing options. The sizing runs true to standard shoe sizes, so you can confidently pick your regular size. The shoe is also noted for accommodating wider feet, which adds to its versatility. The Heelys Men's Pro 20 is not just about function, it's also about style. The oversized Heelys logo on the vamp gives it that recognizable edge and adds to the overall aesthetic appeal. Whether you're skating around your neighborhood or just hanging out with friends, these shoes offer a cool, sporty vibe. Another point to consider is the weight. Weighing in at about 3 pounds, these shoes strike a good balance. Between sturdy build and lightweight comfort, they're robust enough to last but not so heavy that they slow you down. Manufactured by Heelys, a trusted brand in the wheeled footwear market, this model has been available since 2019 and continues to be popular among fans of skating shoes. The combination of durable materials, comfort features, and easy-to-use wheels make the Men's Pro 20 a solid choice for both beginners and experienced riders. So, if you're searching for a versatile shoe that doubles as a fun skating option with great build quality and comfort, the Heelys Men's Pro 20 tennis shoe is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product reviews. See you next time.